Hi, darlings. Today is Punjabi Samosa Day, so let's get on with the business straight away. So, step one is going to be the potato and pea filling that we are going to make for the Punjabi samosas. I am going to keep quiet for the next part until step two arrives, so enjoy and focus on how I am preparing the filling. I have got about 600 grams of boiled potatoes. Half of them I'm going to chop them in cubes, and half of them I will be grating. Now, step two is going to be preparing the dough for samosa sheets. This is basically plain flour I'm using. We have to make a firm dough. It shouldn't be soft. It has to be on the firmer side. The ingredients are coming on your screens, so enjoy. And the next step is going to be cooking the filling. Step three is going to be the cooking of the filling. Now, the reason I cook the filling is to take the edge off the spices. So once it's cooked and cooled down, it will be ready to be filled in. Step four is to roll out 5 sheets of this dough and make 10 samosas out of it. Roll out to the thickness of 1 pound coin. Now take a look with great care. This plating is the signature of the Punjabi samosa. It is basically we're creating a stool for the samosa to sit on. Literally, look at that. That one plate is the signature of being a Punjabi samosa. This is what we need to create, and I'll show you for a couple of more times so you can have a look in great detail. And there you go, samosas are ready to be fried, majestically sitting on my board. You can fry them in any type of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Fry them until they are beautifully golden brown. Take them out, let them dry on a paper towel for a couple of minutes. Then they're ready to be assembled or eaten on their own, whatever the way you like. I'm going to make a samosa chaat out of them, and I will be serving it with my homemade mint and yogurt chutney or raita, whatever you like to call it. Also, the traditional orange colored samosa chutney, which is served across the stalls throughout Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, wherever the samosas are served. It's not red because I'm not using any food coloring. I'm going to decorate it with pomegranate seeds as well as save. And don't worry about the orange chutney recipe. I will be posting it very soon. And enjoy your samosas. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.